This problem is similar to question 8 on the quiz, and it's a little trickier than the last question because instead of adding two groups of tiles, you are subtracting two groups. So let's figure out what's going on here. Let's identify the terms in our expression. I have negative 2x, negative 6, and then I'm subtracting two terms. When I'm subtracting something in parentheses, that means I'm subtracting both terms. Well, let's think about if I'm subtracting negative 4x. That's equivalent to just adding 4x. And if I'm subtracting 3, well, that's the term negative 3. So my four terms are negative 2x, and if I combine like terms, I add 4x to give me 2x, and I have negative 6 minus 3, which is negative 9. So my simplified expression is 2x minus 9. Let's see how this works with algebra tiles. So if I have negative 2x minus 6, okay, and I subtract negative 4x, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3. Well, when I subtract a group of tiles, remember that I need to subtract both the x tiles and the 1 tiles. And subtracting a group is the same as adding the opposite. Of the group. Think about that. If I do 5 minus 3, that's the same as 5 plus the opposite of 3. And I can do the same with my tiles. Instead of subtracting, I can add the opposite of the tiles. So once again, we see that I have negative 2x minus 6 plus 4x minus 3. And if you combine all of those together, these two x's will cancel. And I'm going to be left with, in total, 2 x's and negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1 tiles. 2x minus 9. The biggest issues that I saw were mainly to do with not distributing this negative sign to both of the terms.